nous pral wè 7 lot phrasal verbs avec turn. Turn into, turn over, turn away, turn against, turn back, turn aside, et puis turn around. Turn into signifie transformer, changer en yon lot bagay, vin yon bagay nouveau. Par exemple, water turns into ice in the freezer. D'lo vin tourne glace nan frize ya. The caterpillar turns into a butterfly. Chenillan transformé en papillon. Turn over signifie virer, bay contrôle, moteur machine qui pa ka démarrer. Par exemple, turn over the page. Virer page la. He turned over the business to his son. Li bay petit garçon li contrôle business la. The car won't turn over. Machine nan pa ka démarrer. Turn away signifie refuser, rejeter. Par exemple, they turned him away at the door. Yo pa kite li entre. Turn against, se lo vin hostile ou suspend sipote yon moun. Par exemple, his friends turned against him. Zanmi li yo vire baldo. The crowd turned against the leader. Foule la vire kont l'idea. Turn back signifie vire tourner. Par exemple, we turned back because of the rain. Nou vire tourner à cause de la pluie. Turn aside, qui signifie déplacer yon bagay ou bien déplacer yon moun de yon route, éviter ou bien rejeter yon bagay. He turned aside to let her pass. Li fè yon pas sou kote pou kite l pase. She turned aside her worries. Li mette problem li yo sou kote. Turn around signifie changer direction, améliorer. He turned around and came back. Li vire epi li retourne. She turned her life around. Li change la vie li. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.